students, good morning. Today we are going to learn our science 4th lesson, nutrition in living organism. All organisms need these nutrients from the variety of foodstuffs through the different modes of nutrition. Let us see the different modes of nutrition. First, we should understand what is the mode of nutrition. It is a method by which living organism obtain their food. Modes of nutrition means what? It is a method by which living organism make their food. Organisms differ in their modes of nutrition into two types: autotrophic nutrition and second one heterotrophic nutrition. Now let us see autotrophic nutrition. Some organisms make their own food and they nourish themselves. That organism's nutrition is called autotrophic nutrition. For example, plants. Plants make their own food and nourish themselves. Next nutrition is heterotrophic nutrition. Some organisms are totally depend on other organisms like plants or animals for their food. That nutrition is called heterotrophic nutrition. For example, animals. Now let us see nutrition in plants. Plants produce their food through the process of photosynthesis. Plants make their own food through the process of photosynthesis. With the help of chlorophyll and sunlight, plants makes their food in their leaves. Why in their leaves? Because in leaves chlorophyll is present. Using water and nutrients from the soil and carbon dioxide from the air. This process is called photosynthesis. I repeat again, you should learn this definition of photosynthesis by heart. See, with the help of chlorophyll and sunlight, plants makes their food in their leaves using water and nutrients from the soil and carbon dioxide from the air. This process is called photosynthesis. Let us see the chemical equation of photosynthesis. See here, carbon dioxide and water gets converted into food in the form of glucose, that is sugar, and in this process oxygen is given out. That plants make their food with the help of carbon dioxide and water through the sunlight and make their food in the form of glucose, that is sugar, and in this process oxygen is given out. In this photosynthesis, that energy is transformed. In which form? That light energy is transformed into chemical energy and they store in the form of food, that is that plant's food. Water, minerals and salts absorbed by the roots from the soil and stem transport them. Which transport? That water and minerals and salts. Transport them up to the leaves. Leaves have some microscopic openings, that is called stomata, and they take carbon dioxide from the air and make their food. Leaves contain chlorophyll which absorb sunlight and helping to convert carbon dioxide and water into the food. In some plants that leaves are absent but they have that green stem, and in that plants photosynthesis also carried out. Sometimes what happen? That some plants are colored and in that plants also that photosynthesis happen. Thank you.